Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast. Today's episode is very special. We are talking about something that changes lives: learning English. Many people listen to English podcasts, watch English videos, and still feel confused. They ask questions like, why is English so hard? Why do I forget words? Why am I afraid to speak? Today, we will answer these questions step by step. I am joined by an English teacher and language coach. Welcome to the podcast.
Thank you very much. I'm very happy to be here and speak to English learners around the world.
This podcast is long and slow. It is made for beginners and intermediate learners. You can listen while walking, resting, or studying. You can pause and repeat. Let's begin. Let's start with a simple question. Why do so many people want to learn English?
People want to learn English for many reasons. Some want to travel. Some want a better job. Some want to study abroad. Some want to understand movies, music, and the internet. English connects people from different countries. When you speak English, the world feels smaller.
Do learners need perfect English to succeed?
No, not at all. Perfect English is not necessary. Clear English is enough. Simple English is powerful. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Fear is a big problem for learners. Why are people so afraid to speak English?
Because they're afraid of mistakes. They think mistakes mean failure, but mistakes mean learning. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Mistakes are signs of progress.
How can learners build confidence?
Confidence comes from action. Speak even if your English is not good. Speak even if your voice shakes. The more you speak, the stronger your confidence becomes.
Many teachers say listening is the most important skill. Do you agree?
Yes, I do. Listening comes before speaking. You must hear English to understand it. Children listen for years before they speak.
How should learners practice listening?
Listen every day. Short time is okay. Choose easy content. Slow podcasts, simple stories, short conversations. Listen many times. Repetition is very important.
Let's talk about speaking. Why is speaking so difficult?
Because speaking is active. You must think fast. But you can train this skill. Start with simple sentences. Speak to yourself. Talk about daily life. Speaking badly is better than not speaking at all.
What about accent?
Accent is not a problem. Clarity is important, not accent. Your accent shows your story. Be proud of it.
Vocabulary is another big challenge. Why do learners forget words?
Because they don't use them. The brain forgets unused information. To remember words, learn words in sentences. Use them in speaking and writing. Review them often. 5 useful words are better than 50 forgotten words.
How does reading help learners think in English?
Reading shows you how English works naturally. You see sentence structure. You see grammar without studying rules. Read easy texts. Read slowly. Read aloud.
Many learners avoid writing. Why is writing important?
Writing helps organize your thoughts. When you write, you slow down. You think about words and sentences. Write short texts. Write daily. Mistakes are part of growth.
People say they don't have time. What do you say?
Time is not the problem. Habit is the problem. 20 minutes a day is enough. Listening, speaking, reading, vocabulary. Consistency changes everything.
Learning a new language is a long journey. How can learners stay motivated for months, even years, without losing hope?
The first thing is to remember why you started. Think about what inspired you in the beginning. Maybe it was a dream to travel, to understand movies without subtitles, or to connect with people around the world. Whenever you feel tired or frustrated, remind yourself of that reason. Write it down. Keep a vision board, or even set small reminders on your phone. Seeing your goal clearly helps keep the fire alive. Next, do not rush. Learning a language is not about speed. It's about steady growth. Imagine planting a tree. You water it, give it sunlight, and patiently wait. You can't force it to grow overnight. The same goes for English. Celebrate every small victory, a word you learned, a sentence you can speak, a story you understood. These little moments add up. Another trap to avoid is comparing yourself to others. Everyone learns differently. Some pick up listening quickly, others grammar, others vocabulary. Your journey is yours alone. Comparing will only bring frustration. Instead, focus on your progress. Keep track of how far you've come. It's incredible when you look back after months of consistent effort. Finally, enjoy the process. Learning English isn't just a goal, it's a journey. Listen to songs, watch shows, read stories, speak to friends. Make it fun. The more you enjoy it, the easier it becomes. Remember, learning English is not a race. There is no finish line. It is a journey, full of discoveries, small victories, and sometimes challenges. Embrace every part of it.
Before we finish, what final advice would you give to learners trying to stay motivated and reach success in English?
Be patient. Progress comes slowly at first. You might not notice it day by day, but over weeks and months, the change is remarkable. Don't give up when it feels hard. Be brave. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Speak, write, and listen, even if you're unsure. Every mistake is a step forward. Each one teaches you something new. Be consistent. Small, regular practice is better than occasional bursts of studying. 10 minutes every day is much more powerful than 3 hours once a month. Consistency compounds over time, and suddenly you'll realize you understand more, speak more confidently, and enjoy English naturally. English will come to you slowly at first. Then one day, almost magically, you'll notice you're thinking, dreaming, and communicating in English without struggle. That's the beauty of steady learning. Trust the process and stay committed to your journey.
Thank you for listening to this very long episode. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. See you next time. Goodbye.